Welcome to Conscious Mind Short Meditation, designed to attract abundance into your life. Hypnotic meditation is a powerful tool that helps you connect deeper with your subconscious mind, where beliefs and thoughts directly impact your daily life. The purpose of this meditation is to reprogram your subconscious mind, opening yourself to the prosperity and endless opportunities that the universe has to offer. By participating in this meditation, you will begin to transform limiting beliefs, thereby developing an abundance mindset that opens the door to welcoming success and prosperity into your life. Now, let's begin the deep relaxation process. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Breathe deeply through your nose. Feel the fresh air filling your lungs. And then gently exhale through your mouth, releasing all tension from your body. Continue to breathe deeply. And with each exhale, feel your body becoming lighter and more relaxed. Start with your feet, imagining a warm light surrounding them, releasing all tension and fatigue. Let this light slowly spread upward through your calves, thighs, and gradually to your hips and back. Feel this warm light envelop you, releasing all pressure and bringing a sense of absolute peace. Next, imagine a staircase appearing before you. This staircase leads you to a deeper state of relaxation and peace. Begin descending step by step. With each step down, feel your body and mind becoming lighter, more peaceful. When you reach the final step, you will achieve the deepest state of relaxation, where all stress and worries have melted away. In front of you is a door, leading to a place of peace, where you can feel the harmony with nature and the prosperity of the universe. Open the door, step inside, and immerse yourself in the tranquil space where only serenity and abundance exist. Now, imagine yourself walking into a lush garden, a place full of life and vibrant colors. Flowers of all hues bloom around you, releasing sweet fragrances that gently fill the air. The sound of birds singing and the gentle trickle of water from a nearby fountain make the garden feel alive and abundant. This is no ordinary garden. It is a symbol of the prosperity that the universe brings to you. Every tree, every branch in this garden represents the abundance and flourishing in your life. In the garden, you discover an ancient treasure chest, quietly resting among the green trees. This chest contains all the abundance and prosperity of the universe, ready for you. Slowly you open the lid, and immediately a brilliant light shines out, illuminating the entire garden. Inside, you see precious gems, gold, and sparkling treasures, representing the unlimited wealth and prosperity that the universe offers to you. Feel the flow of abundant energy beginning to fill your body, spreading to every cell. This energy is warm and gentle, bringing the power of prosperity and vitality. Let this sense of abundance soak into every part of your body, every thought, and become an inseparable part of your life. Now, repeat positive affirmations in your mind, such as, I deserve to live in abundance. I am open to receiving all the prosperity the universe offers. And I live in wealth and success. Feel each affirmation deeply embed in your subconscious, strengthening your belief in your ability to attract and live in the prosperity you deserve. Now, begin to visualize your prosperous future. In your mind, you see yourself living the life you've always dreamed of, where every aspect is filled with abundance and happiness. You wake up in a beautiful, spacious home, where every detail reflects your success and wealth. Warm sunlight streams through large windows, filling the room with positive energy and life. You feel fulfilled in every aspect of your life. Your finances are always abundant, allowing you not only to live comfortably, but also to help others and achieve your greatest dreams and aspirations. You see yourself surrounded by loved ones, true friends, and deep, meaningful relationships. Laughter and joy fill the air, creating a warm, loving, and supportive environment. Your health is also perfect. Your body is full of energy. Your mind is clear and peaceful. You clearly feel that each day is a gift, an opportunity to experience joy and fulfillment in life. Gratitude fills your heart as you appreciate every moment, every small thing that you have in this life. Now, prepare for a deep, peaceful sleep. As you slowly drift into slumber, let this feeling of abundance and gratitude permeate every cell in your body, every layer of your subconscious. Know that as you sleep, all this positive energy will continue to work, helping you wake up feeling refreshed, full of vitality, and ready to embrace a new day with new opportunities for prosperity. Sleep well, and let your dreams take you to the most wonderful places in the prosperous life you are creating.